and the excavator.
Who's that? Do you know who that is?
George?
That's George. What's he bringing us? Excavator? On the big truck. There he comes. We've been waiting all day for this moment. You just couldn't take it no longer, could you? There he is. This thing has been a long time coming, huh? Get this thing and get it unloaded. We gotta put fuel in it though. It's about out of fuel.
Wow.
Yeah. That sure is a nice truck, ain't it? It's George.
Oh, it's okay, guys. It's okay.
He honked it for you?
It's okay. Bye.
It's loud, huh? That train horn?
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. He's not gonna do it no more.
Hi.
Let's go look at it.
Hi, George.
I don't think he can hear you.
Hi.
Don't let him touch that track.
No.
Hi.
I can't hear you because the truck's so loud. George, he's trying to tell you hi.
Hi. How you doing?
Good.
Good?
He had just been so excited he couldn't take it no more.
Oh, no. You gonna run this?
So I'm gonna ride in it, huh?
Drive it? Are you?